heading out on another long ride, going down to Ventura, California for the Dave Mann Chopperfest. This is going to be a fun one. Now, Dave Mann, if you never heard of him before, he was a prolific artist, specifically with Harley Davidsons and the biker lifestyle. Now, I don't know how many paintings he did for Easy Rider magazine over the years, but I'd say about 95 to 99% of them, his paintings and drawings were the centerfold. Dave Mann, well loved by the community. His funeral was rather massive. There were bikes from literally all over the country and quite a few internationally. Well, a few years ago they decided what's best for his memory than to have a bike run, which was what started out, and then it turned into a bike show, and they called it Chopperfest. Some of the best and most prolific and just downright beautiful artists who build motorcycles will be there and bringing the best of their stuff. Everything from rat bikes to, to $250,000 rides will be shown off. And boy, I can't wait. This could be a fun ride. Up ahead of me, I got Ken and I got Curtis. And we're supposed to have Kevin, but he never showed up. I don't know who those two guys are way ahead of us, but I'd pretty good bet they're going the same place as we are.
The Christmas tree's on fire, Santa's holding the lighter. My parents are both liars, I got gifts but 1 subscribers. Thanks for the candy basket, oh got another jacket. My stocking's filled with acid, am I dreaming? What just happened? This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month 'cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad, I've been bad, got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am, but right in front of